Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I filmed this look and I used Tati Westbrook's favorites. So if you want to know what are her favorites and how I use them and do I like them, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. I've primed my lids and set them and did my brows, and now I'm going into the Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. And Tati said she loves this palette and I love it also. And I think I'm gonna use some of these shades because she said she loves this shade Big Sky and I've never tried it. Whoa! Whoa! Yes! That's really cool shade, so I think this will be my main shade. I wanna start with something soft and something neutral. So I'll take this shade called Weekender and I'll apply it as some kind of transition. Next shade will be this one called Riff. Next I'll take this shade called Punk. I wanna do something a bit warmer with this look, so I'll take this orange shade called Baja. And with it I'll go above this darkest shade. Now I'll take shade Big Sky on my finger because I really like how these look with when you apply it with your finger. Maybe I'll spritz a bit. You know what? I decided to take this shade Wanderlust and whoa, I dipped my finger in it. Never mind. I'll take it on my pinky and I'll apply it on the ends here. I've done with my eyes for now and I'm going on my face. One of Tati's favorites, not just from drugstore but favorites, is this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh 24 Fresh Wear Foundation, and I have it in the shade 140. For my concealer, I'm using Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer, and I did a review about it, so I'll leave a link in here. But spoiler alert, I like this concealer, but I'll set it with also Jeffree Star's product. It's Magic Star Powder. Whoa, I forgot to close it. Okay, never mind. And I have it in the shade Topaz. Whoa, but it went in my throat and oh. Now for these parts of bronzer, highlighter and blush, I couldn't find, I don't know Tati is always using some new products. I don't know, I couldn't find information what is her favorite bronzer, so I decided to use this Makeup Revolution palette, and I'll mix these shades. I noticed she likes Wet n Wild, so I decided to use this Precious Petals. This is a highlighter and I really like it, so I think she'll like it also. And blush I'm using is this one from Douglas. It's in the shade The Creator of Color. I'll go back to my eyes and to Born to Run palette. First I'll take shade Punk, and with this smudger I'll smudge it along my lower lash line, and a bit of shade Baja. I'll line my lips with this Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner in the shade Nude Whisperer. And she recently talked about this Wet n Wild Catsuit, sorry, Catsuit, their liquid lipsticks, High Shine lipstick. They're actually glosses. So I'll first apply this pinky one in the shade Chic Got Real. Cool names, they always have really cool names. And over that I'll take this really nude shade called Caught You Bare Naked. I know she loves that glossy lip, and I know she likes that Sally's mascara, but I'm from Europe and I don't know where to find it, so I decided to use this Lash Renegade Wet n Wild Waterproof Mascara. So guys, my look using Tati's favorites is done, and I like how it turned out, and actually I also like all of these products she likes, so that's a cool thing. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this video please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, bye!